The secret to money. Whatever the mind can conceive, it can achieve. Here is a story by Jack Canfield. The secret was a real transformation for me because I grew up with a very negative father who thought that rich people were people that had ripped everyone off and thought that everyone that had money must have deceived somebody. So I grew up with a lot of beliefs about money that if you had it, it made you bad. Only evil people have money and money doesn't grow on tree. Who do you think I am, Rockefeller? That was one of his favorite phrases. So I grew up truly believing that life was difficult. It was only when I met W. Clement Stone that I began to shift my life. When I was working with Stone, he said, I want you to set a goal that's so big that if you achieved it, it would blow your mind and you would know it's only because of what I have taught you that you would have achieved this goal. At this time, I was making about $8,000 a year. So I said I want to make $100,000 in a year. Now I had no idea how I could do that. I saw no strategy, no possibility, but I just said, I am going to declare that. I am going to believe it. I am going to act as if it's true and release it. So I did it. One of the things he taught me was every day to close your eyes and visualize the goals as if it's already achieved. I had actually made $100,000 bill that I would put on the ceiling. So, first thing in the morning, I would look up and there it was. It would remind me that this was my intention. Then I would close my eyes and visualize having this $100,000 a year lifestyle. Interestingly enough, nothing major happened for about 30 days. I didn't have any great breakthrough ideas. No one was offering me more money. About 4 weeks into it, I had $100,000 idea. It just came right into my head. I had a book I had written and said, if I can sell 400,000 copies of my book at a quarter each, that would be $100,000. Now, the book was there, but I never had this thought. One of the secret is that when you have an inspired thought, you have to trust it and act on it. I didn't know how I was going to sell 400,000 copies. Then I saw the National Enquirer at the supermarket. I had seen that millions of times and it was just a background. And all of a sudden it jumped out at me as foreground. I thought if readers knew about my book, certainly 400,000 people would go out and buy it. About 6 weeks later, I gave a talk at Hunter College in New York to 600 teachers. And afterward, a woman approached me and said, that was a great talk. I want to interview you. Let me give you my card. As it turns out, she was a freelance writer who sold her stories to the National Enquirer. The theme from The Twilight Zone went off in my head. Like, wow, this stuff really working. That article came out and our book sales started to take off. The point I want to make is that I was attracting into my life all these different events, including this person. To take a long story short, I did not make $100,000 that year. We made $92,327. Do you think we were depressed and saying this doesn't work? No, we were saying this is amazing. So my wife said to me, if it works for 100,000, do you think it would work for 1 million? And I said, I don't know. I think so. Let's try it. My publisher wrote me a royalty check for our first chicken soup for the soul book, and he actually put a smiley face in his signature because it was the first $1 million check he had ever written. So, I know from my own experience, because I wanted to test it, does this secret really work? We put it to test, it absolutely worked, and now I live my life from that every single day. The knowledge of secret and the intentional use of this law of attraction can be applied to every single subject in your life. It is the same process for everything you want to create, and the subject of money is no different. To attract money, you must focus on wealth. It is impossible to bring more money into your life when you are noticing you do not have enough. Because that means you are thinking thoughts that you do not have enough. Focus on enough money and you will create untold more circumstances of not having enough money. You must focus on abundance of money to bring that to you. You have to emit a new signal with your thoughts, and those thoughts should be that you currently have more than enough. You really do need to call your imagination into play and make believe you already have the money you want. And it is so much fun to do. You will notice as you pretend and play games of having wealth that you feel instantly better about money, and as you feel better about it, it will begin to flow into your life. Jack's wonderful story inspired the secret team to create a blank check available as a free download on the secret website www.thesecret.tv. The blank check is for you and it is from the Bank of the Universe. You fill in your name, the amount, and the details and place it in a prominent place where you will see it every day. When you look at the check, feel the feelings of having that money now. Imagine spending that money. All the things you will buy and the things you will do. Feel how wonderful that is. Know it is yours because when you ask, it is. We have received hundreds of stories from people who have brought huge sum of money to them using the secret check. It's a fun game that works. Attract abundance. The only reason any person does not have enough money is because they are blocking money from coming to them with their thoughts. Every negative thought, feeling, or emotion is blocking your good from coming to you, and that includes money. It is not that the money is being kept from you by the universe, because all the money you require exists right now in the invisible. If you do not have enough, it is because you are stopping the flow of money coming to you, and you are doing that with your thoughts. You must tip the balance of your thoughts from lack of money to more than enough money. Think more thoughts of abundance than of lack, and you have tipped the balance. When you need money, it is a powerful feeling within you, and so, of course, through the law of attraction, you will continue to attract needing money. I can speak from my own experience about money, because just before I discovered the secret, my accountants told me that my company had suffered a major loss that year, and in 3 months it would be history. After 10 years of hard work, my company was about to slip through my fingers. And as I needed more money to save my company, things just got worse. There seemed no way out. Then I discovered the secret, and everything in my life, including the state of my company, was totally transformed because I changed the way I was thinking. As my accountants continued to fish about the figures and focus on that, I kept my mind focused on abundance and all being well. I knew with every fiber of my being that the universe would provide, and it did. It provided in ways I could not have imagined. I had my moments of doubt, but when the doubt came, I immediately moved my thoughts to the outcome of what I wanted. I gave thanks for it. I felt the joy of it, and I believed. I want to let you in on a secret to the secret. The shortcut to anything you want in your life is to be and feel happy now. It is the fastest way to bring money and anything else you want into your life. Focus on radiating out into the universe those feelings of joy and happiness. When you do that, you will attract back to you all things that bring you joy and happiness, which will not only include an abundance of money, but everything else you wanted. You must radiate out the signal to bring back what you want. As you radiate out these feelings of happiness, they will be sent back to you as the picture and experiences of your life. The law of attraction is reflecting back your innermost thoughts and feeling as your life.